Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Avatar World new update. To begin, always make sure your game is updated to the very latest version available through your App Store. Once updated, launch the game and keep an eye out for any pop-up messages or new icons on your main screen. These often highlight fresh content. You might also find new areas marked on your in-game map, ready for you to explore. Once you've confirmed your update, it's time to discover what's new. Head to your world map and scan for any unfamiliar locations. Often, new zones will have a distinct icon or a glowing effect to draw your attention. Don't forget to chat with any new characters you encounter. They frequently offer quests or introduce you to fresh storylines, adding depth to your gameplay experience. A big part of Avatar World is personalizing your experience, and updates bring exciting new ways to do just that. Check your inventory or the in-game shop for a wide array of fresh clothing, hairstyles, and accessories. You'll also find new furniture and decorative items to spruce up your avatar's living space. There are often dozens of new options to help you express your unique style. Beyond exploration and customization, new updates often introduce engaging activities. Look for new minigames or special events that offer unique challenges and rewards. Completing these can earn you exclusive items or in-game currency. Remember to invite your friends to join in the fun. Exploring new content together makes the experience even more enjoyable and allows for shared discoveries.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.